Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Nightsurf Bomber from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie, or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw her sunglasses with a curved line across, semicircular turn on both ending points at the side, curved line downwards and slightly inwards on both the left and right, semicircular turn at the corners below on both sides, and curved line across. Inside of that, I'm gonna trace the outline at this inner corner right there. And I'm gonna copy the whole thing and mirror it on the right side. In the middle of the frame, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at that corner and a similar one at this lower point. Above the sunglasses, a curved line across right there and a similar one at this upper point. Now for her hair, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the middle point above the sunglasses diagonally downwards, sharp turn back upwards, sharp turn back down diagonally, and sharp turn back upwards, sharp turn back down to the side of the glasses on the right, all the way to the side of her face, sharp turn back up at that corner and sharp turn back down, sharp turn back up again all the way to the top of her head at the side, semicircular turn around the top of her head all the way to the left and turn it downwards. At that corner, a curved line out, semicircular turn downwards to the side of her glasses, and sharp turn upwards at that corner, back to the hairline, turn it sideways to the right. Below that, a curved line down on the left corner right there. Now for her eyebrow above the glasses, I'm gonna take this point and draw a line up, and at the outer corner a diagonal line right there, turn it slightly downwards at the outer corner, sharp turn back inwards at this lower point. I'm gonna draw a similar shape across the hair on the right here, and below the sunglasses on the left, I'm gonna draw the shape of her face with a curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards, semicircular turn at that corner, diagonally to the chin, curved line across at the chin right there, diagonal turn back up to the right side of her face, semicircular turn at that corner and turn it upwards. Now for her nose, in the middle point below the glasses, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, and at the side of that, a curved line downwards on the left and right side. Below the nose, I'm gonna draw across a curved line for her mouth, and from the corners of that line, a diagonal curved line at this upper point, turn it downwards in the middle, and mirror the whole thing on the right side. For the lower lips, I'm gonna take the same corners at the side and draw a diagonal curved line downwards, semicircular turn across with a curved line, and turn it back upwards on the right side. Now at the side of the face, I'm going to draw her earring with a curved line downwards, turn it outwards, semicircular turn diagonally down to the middle point, and mirror the whole thing on the outer corner on the right. Turn it sideways across at this upper point. Inside of the earring, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at that corner, and I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the left side. Now above her head, I'm gonna draw her ponytail with an arch curve line right there. Turn it back downwards on the right side. And below that, I'm gonna add some details to the hair with a curve line across. At that corner, turn it downwards on the right side. Now below her head, I'm gonna draw her neck with a curve line downwards on the left and right. Flare it slightly out at the base of the neck. And a curve line across in the middle of the neck right there. At the side of the neck, I'm gonna draw a strap with a curve line across. Turn it downwards on both sides, slightly diagonal. And at that corner, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape. And another one inside of that. Continue the line of the strap downwards. Another set of rectangular shape at this corner. Continue that strap downwards, and at that corner a line across at this lower point. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the strap again on the left side right here. And at the side of the strap at this lower point, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape on the left side and the right side. I'm going to do the same thing on the right strap right there as well. Now in the middle of the strap at the lower point, I'm going to draw another strap across on the left here. Rectangular shape at that corner, and I'm going to copy the same shape again on the right side, and in the middle point right there, I'm going to draw her buckle with a line across, curve line in the middle point downwards, and a line across on the right side. In the middle point above, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up, turn it back downwards with a similar diagonal line on the right side. And I'm gonna mirror the whole thing at this lower point right here. Now below the strap at the side, I'm gonna draw her waist with a curved line inwards and flare it back out at this lower point. Do the same thing on the right side right there. Now for her shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the side of the strap at this upper point. Semicircle turn downwards right there. Another curved line down below that to the elbow point. Now at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a line upwards. Turn it inwards and all the way up to the side of her strap. For the inner line of her arm, a similar curved line downwards at this corner to the elbow point, another curved line downwards below the elbow point, and flare it slightly outwards and back inwards towards her wrist. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side right there. And below that, a curved line across. Turn it downwards on both sides, and another curved line across below that. At the side, I'm going to draw a triangle shape on both the left and right. And inside of the bracelet, I'm going to draw lines downwards. And inside of those rectangular shape, I'm going to draw an X. Below the bracelet, continue the line of the arms below the bracelet all the way to the glove, curve line across, turn it downwards on both sides, and at the outer corner, curve line downwards, diagonal turn in, and for her thumb, a curve line diagonally out and turn it downwards. Semicircle turn at the tip of the thumb, back upwards, sharp turn back down to the other finger, and all the way to the tip of the finger. Semicircle turn back up on the right side, and a curve line down at that corner, and another one on the right side. Across each fingers and the thumb, I'm going to draw a curve line. And on her knuckle, I'm going to draw oval shape on each fingers. And above that, a rectangular shape at that corner. And above her bracelet, I'm going to draw a curve line across at that corner. And I'm going to thicken that right there. A diagonal similar line at that corner. And another one right there. Now I'm going to copy the same shape of the arms on the left side without the bracelets. Now for the buckle of the belt, I'm going to draw a diagonal line in the middle point right here, and another similar line below that, and a line across at the ending point, at the lower point, and the upper point right there. And on the right side of that, I'm going to copy a few more of the same shape right there. And another one at this upper point. Below that whole set of shape, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape like that. And at the outer corner of the buckle, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape on the left side right there. Another one on the right side, and for the belt, I'm going to draw a curved line across for the upper line of the belt right there, and another similar curved line across for the lower line of the belt. A line downwards on both sides. Above the belt, another curved line across for the top of her pants, and turn it down on the sides. Below the belt, I'm going to draw her pants with a curved line at the side and flare it slightly outwards and turn it back inwards below the hand all the way to her knee right there, and below that, another curved line downwards below the knee, flare it slightly out and back inwards towards her ankle point. In the middle of her legs, I'm going to draw a curved line across right there, and off center of that curved line, I'm going to draw the inner line of her leg on the left with a curved line downwards. Turn it inwards to the knee point, another curved line downwards similar to the other line, and turn it inwards towards the ankle point. Below that, I'm gonna flare it out with a curved line downwards and turn it back inwards, and another similar curved line at this lower point. Mirror the same shape again on the outer corner and a curved line across below that. Now for her boots, I'm gonna continue that line at the side downwards. Turn it inwards to the ankle point. Flare it slightly out below the ankle point. Curve line at that corner. And I'm gonna copy the same shape again on the left side. Curve line across at this lower point. A line down on both sides below that. And a curve line across at the base of the boots. Inside the boots, in the middle point above, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that corner. A droopy teardrop shape at the side, and another one inside of that. Copy that same shape again on the right side right here. And below that, I'm going to draw some crisscross knots all the way to the lower point inside the boots, and below that a line down at the side, semicircle turn to the side, and curve line downwards. Mirror the same shape again on the right side right here. I'm gonna copy the whole leg shape on the right side. Below the base of her neck, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across at that corner. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!